On this segment of Beauty with Jalia, we are talking hand and nail care. I'm showcasing two products, one by Londontown and one by IYOU. Stay tuned for more. Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty. And welcome back to this episode of Beauty with Jalia. We're talking all things hand and nail care. And I've chosen to highlight two specific products dealing with the hands and the nails. Hand gloves by IYOU and Londontown nail lacquer. I have a nail base and a nail polish that we'll showcase, as well as these amazing gloves that are great for moisturizing. So I have my lovely model Emily here with me, and what we're gonna do is showcase the IYOU hand gloves. This product is a treatment specifically for the hands. And what we're gonna do is basically take the hand gloves out of the bag and we're gonna put them over her hands, and the product is going to penetrate for about 10 to 15 minutes. We've selected the product that has the moisturizing tea in it. That way, if she has any sensitivities, we don't have to worry about any reactions. But the IYOU brand has several different types of the hand gloves that you can choose from. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.